Live Lingua Spanish episode 58. Ask, when does the bus, train, plane leave? Let's practice asking what time the transportation you want to use is leaving. In Spanish, you ask, when does X leave for Y? Where X is the vehicle, bus, plane, train, and Y is the location you want to go to. So in Spanish, it would be, ¿a qué hora sale X a Y? Again, the phrase is, ¿a qué hora sale X a Y? So for this exercise, I'm going to give you the vehicle and the location. All you need to do is fill in the blanks. Here's an example. If I say, el camión, Puebla, you would say, ¿a qué hora sale el camión a Puebla? El camión is the X, and Puebla, which is a city in Mexico, is the Y. Let's get started. Empecemos. El camión, Córdoba. El avión, Houston. El tren, Cusco. And now let's do it again with the answers included. El camión, Córdoba.
¿A qué hora sale el camión a Córdoba?
El avión, Houston.
¿A qué hora sale el avión a Houston?
El tren, Cusco.
¿A qué hora sale el tren a Cusco?